Hello, this is Eric Frigette from NetApp with a demonstration of the Redeploy feature of the Rapid Cloning Utility 3.0. In this demonstration, we'll redeploy a 10 gig virtual hard drive to 6 virtual machine clones, apply guest customization, then return each virtual machine to its current state and complete all of this in less than 1 minute using almost no additional space. The first thing we'll do is make modifications to the source of the clones. In this case, our modification is going to be creating a text file, putting some information into it. We'll also update our theme to the Windows XP theme. And hit apply. So now our baseline looks drastically different than one of the clones, which I'll show the console of here. We've got Quick Demo 2 with no text file and using a more classic theme. Come back to our baseline and shut it down. So at this point we're ready to do the redeploy, and we'll find the Rapid Cloning Utility under Solutions and Applications. So the tab that we're interested in, of course, is Redeploy, and what this will show us is the baselines that we've used the Rapid Cloning Utility to produce clones from. And the one that we're interested in redeploying is Demo 1. So the wizard's going to show us the virtual machine name, what its current power state is, the guest customization, and the last time that this particular virtual machine was redeployed. We then have the option to use the current settings or apply a new set of settings. We'll get a summary of what we're about to do. Notice that there is a clone from snapshot option. If Demo 1 had a snapshot, you can actually redeploy from an individual virtual machine snapshot. We'll hit apply and then confirm that this is really what we want to do. The wizard will take note of which virtual machines are running and power down those that need to be. Once the wizard disappears, that means the main task has been kicked off. So if we take a look at the tasks now, we see a NetApp Redeploy Virtual Machines master task. We've got a NetApp individual copy of image. That's going to be a fileable flex clone, followed by 5 more fileable flex clones, which happen under the NetApp Flex Clone Virtual Disk task. We'll then customize the guest virtual machines. And then finally return them to the power state they were in prior to the redeploy. If we scroll back and take a look, we'll see that the task did in fact take less than a minute. So let's jump into a console of one of the virtual machines and see where we are in the process. Okay, so we're just finishing up the sysprep. So we just have to wait for the reboot here, and we should be able to log back in and see our changes. We can already tell that the theme change has taken place. The host name again matches the virtual machine name. And we have our text file, and when we open it up, we have the data we expect to see. So let's check our results here. We did successfully redeploy a 10 gig virtual hard drive to 6 virtual machine clones. They were all sysprepped. We then brought each virtual machine back to its state at the time of the redeploy. We completed all of this in less than a minute, and because we used the file level flex clone feature of the NetApp controller, this consumed almost no space. Thank you very much for your time, and remember, go further faster with the rapid cloning utility from NetApp.